All right, we're back in action, everyone. Vega here for Serpent X Tech, and our buddy Rick, Mad Electron, was able to repair the Ice River KS0 Pro. So I want to get this guy back up and running. They also provided us some goodies like some Mad Electron stickers and magnets, as well as the 0F's Given coin. Pretty cool little coin. I'll have their video where they repaired this device linked down in the description if you want to go ahead and check it out. But the barrel plug on this thing completely burnt out, and throwing up a picture of it on the screen right now. The center of the barrel plug just melted to the cable that I had it plugged into, the veteran miner cable. We talked about some of the warnings, or issued some warnings to the community about it, some of which we already knew, but just not sure how many people actually are aware of it. So we have a laptop 230 watt power supply, 19 volt, that's ready for this thing that I've had, just didn't switch it in time, so we had to have it repaired. Now Rick was able to get the barrel plug for cheap, but it's not the part itself that's the hard part. It's the soldering of the various points of this barrel plug to the PCB. That's the hard part. So I'll have a video where they did the repair linked down in the description. They even threw replacement thermal pads on there for me and thermal paste, so that's good to see. Left the sides off, I didn't send it to them, and we're just going to leave this plate on with the two small fans on, but we're going to attach a 120 mil here and then have a 120 mil blowing directly on the barrel plug or power port, just like we have on this machine. My other KS0 Pro, where you can see the power port down there, and the fan is just blowing directly on it, keeping that power port cool, but it's getting the 19 volts instead of the 12 volts, which again we talked about in this video. So a huge shout out to Rick, or Mad Electron Engineering, for getting that repaired for us. We could have done it, but I wanted to use it as a good opportunity to educate the community and warn everybody to do as I say and not as I do, because I procrastinated too long and burnt out my other KS0 Pro. We already have another one here that's been mining for quite some time, but it'd be so good to have this second one up and running right here next to the Finstra miner, Helium miner, the Mini Doge miner, and then those are the two fans I'm gonna do right there, or use, that are right there. Got to cut that zip tie because we got to put one on the front here and then one on the power port. But that is the update for today's video. If you're looking to buy the barrel plug because yours burnt out, I'll have it linked down in the description, and then again the video to Mad Electron, who repaired this device, this KS0 or KS0 Pro, doesn't really matter because that barrel plug is going to be about the same. You could go grab it off of DigiKey or one of the other sites, and then it's just a matter of soldering these 6 points, the two main points for power, and then the outer shell or the housing that needs to also get soldered for structural integrity, but probably also a ground. I'll let Mad Electron talk more about it, but that's gonna do it for today's video. We're just gonna go ahead and set this here for right now. I'm going to go ahead and get it set up, get it started, and not going to do any firmware updates. Maybe later, make sure thermals and everything are good, and then go from there. So hit the like button on the way out, make sure to get subscribed, hit the notification bell to stay up to date, as well as check out additional links in the description to help support the channel and what we do here, and I'll catch you in the next one. You can see my little heat sinks down there, copper heat sinks, keeping MOSFETs nice and cool. Take care.